Hello students, this is V. Srinivas working in SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Today I am going to discuss about the topic is replacement algorithms. In this topic taken by the 5th semester, uh, 3rd year MPCS and Unit 3. So previous class we discussed by the demand paging. So today we discussed the page replacement. First of all, so what is page replacement? The page replacement algorithm are needed to decide which page and the needed to replace it when the new page comes in. So it is a change with the one page to another page, we call the page replacement. Whenever a new page is the referred and the not present in the memory. Okay, the page is replaced by the old pages uh, in replacement of the new page. The memory is the not present in the memory. So page fault occurs and the operating system replaces one of the and the existing pages with newly and the needed page. So different page replacement algorithms suggest the different ways to decide and the which page to replace. The target for all algorithms is to reduce number of page defaults. Here see the types of page replacement algorithms. Which types are there? So there are six types, and another type is there. The first one is the FIFO page replacement algorithm and the optimal page replacement algorithm and the LRU page replacement algorithm and LRU approximation page replacement algorithm and the counting based page replacement algorithm and the page buffering algorithm. So in this before we discuss the virtual memory management. So in this the background and the demand paging, demand segmentation, paging consideration and the page replacement algorithms, virtual memory policies. So and the page replacement algorithms. What are the page replacement algorithms? So want lowest page and the fault rate. They evaluate the algorithms by the running it on a particular string of memory references and reference string and computing the number of page faults and the page replacements on that string. So in all our and examples we use a few and the recurring reference strings. Here see the graph of page fault versus the number of frames. Here the number of pages faults. Here 16 and 2 to 16, these are the number of page faults and the number of frames. So what is the page and the table page and the frames? So the number of pages collected in the frames, the number of frames collected in the table. So that is the definition of the table and the page table and the pages and the page frames. Here see the number of pages faults and the number of frames and the FIFO policy. The uh, first in first out, this is called first in first out. The first place replacement, the second page is come out on the first page. So treats the page frames allocated to a the process as a circular buffer. When the buffer is full, the oldest page is replaced. So hence first in first out. So the first page is completely and the page is replaced the second page. So that is called hence first in first out. So first page is replaced by second page. The first page is uh, it is in first in, it is a first out. The frequently used the page is the often the oldest, so the will be repeatedly paged out by before, and the simple to implement requires only a pointer that circles and through the page frames of the process. Here see the FIFO page diagram, the reference string. Here 701234 here these are the numbers are there. So the 7 is there and the page frames the 7 and the 70701. So this is the first number is the 7. So here two pages 0 7 and 0, and the third place is empty here, 701. So here 201. So in the replace of the first page comes with the 2 number. Okay, and it was a change to, so first in first out, automatically changed by the total table. This is called a reverse string and the page frames. So what is page frame? The page frame is the number of pages, the number of pages stored in the table, that is called a number of tables, that is table. In the number of tables in the frames store the information. The first in first out FIFO algorithm. Here the reference string 1234 and the 125 and the 12345, the frames and the 3 pages can be in memory at a time per process. The 4 frames, so what are they? So here 1 2 3 and the 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 and the 1 2 3 4, 4 1 2 and the 5 1 2 3. So 5 3 4. Here the 9 page faults and the 10 page faults. So the FIFO replacement, this is barely anomaly, and the more frames, more page and the faults. And the FIFO illustration and the Bedley's anomaly. Here see the number of pages, faults and the number of frames. Optimal page replacement. This is the another different type of replacement of optimal page replacement. The optimal policy and the selects for replacement the page that will not be and the used for longest period of time. So the optimal policy selects for the replacement page that will be not be used in the longest period of time. It is immediately changed by the one page to another page. This is the longest period time. Take the longest period time, not be used for the it is a simply time it was changed the one page to another page. This is called optimal page replacement, and the impossible to implement and need to the know the future, and the serves as a standard to and compare with the other algorithms we study shall we study. And the optimized replacement, here see the same diagram will be repeated. So 7070 and the 701, the 7 replaced by the 2 number, and the 0 is the same, 1 is same, and the 2 is the same, 0, and the 1 place replaced by 3. So it was changed the 2 place same, and the 0 place replaced by 4, 3 plus 3, and the 203 here replaced by the 1 page to another page. And the optimal algorithm and the referencing strings 1 2 3 4, the 4 frames examples and the 6 pages faults, and the how do you know the future use, you don't, and the user to measuring will be algorithms performance. So it is an operating system mainly depending on page replacements. This is the memory storage areas of in the motherboard is different types of the processor is the primary memory and the secondary memory. The primary RAM and ROM, the secondary is the hard disk. The hard disk storage information in the 500 GB hard disk. The pages are the stored in the hard disk. So the operating system also stored by the first the operating system, and the user can use the different types of softwares. The software and the it is received by the hard disk. The hard disk, the page wise. So the page is the information. The page information is the take the some memory. So that is the gigabytes, megabytes, terabytes, kilobytes. So and this is the take by the information in the memory. That is the second storage memory in the hard disk. So in the same, the next one is the LRU policy. This is the replaces the page that the has been not be referenced for the longest time by the principle of the locality. This should be, and the page at least the likely to be referenced in the near future performs nearly as well as the optimal policy. And the LRU page replacement, here the reference string 7 and the 0 and the 1030 4230 321 and the 2017. So at least recently used LRU algorithm. So what is least recently used LRU algorithms? Here the reference string 1234 and the 125 12345. here 1 2 3 4 and the 8 pages faults. So compression of the OTP with LRU. The examples a process the 5 pages with the operating system that fixed by the resident set of size in the 3. The pages algorithm streams the OTP and the LRU. So automatically adjusted by the page by page. So in this the topics middle we discussed the digital planet and the tomorrow technology and you. So the softwares, advantages of softwares, how to support the operating system. This small topic we discussed to today's class. So categories of softwares, mainly the compilers and the translators programs enable the programs to create other software. So the compiler, what is compiler? The compiler is the translator of programs. So computer cannot understand the English. It was the change to the translate. The compilers can translate the programs. So enable the programs to create the other softwares. The software is the two types: system applications and the system softwares. Software applications and the system softwares. What is software applications? They serve as productivity tools to help and the users solve the problems, and the system software coordinates hardware the operations. What is system softwares? The system run the used by the operating system. This is called system software. For example, we take the operating systems, Windows 98, 2000, XP, ME, and the Linux, Unix. These are the system softwares. Without the system application softwares, and the computer cannot run the system and the system software. So this is the system software coordinate the hardware operations. It is used to coordinate the hardware softwares. System application software, it is designed by the user. So the user designed by the different types of system application softwares. For example, we take the database and the MS Office and the Linux Unix, and they take the hotel management, the railway inquiry counter information. So this type of softwares are and prepared by the user, that is called system applications. System software coordinate the hardware. What is hardware? It is a hardware is the physical component of computers. What is physical components of computers? The physical component of computers is the monitor, keyboard, mouse. These are the hardware components. And the language of computers, every computer processes instructions in machine language and the numeric codes used to represent basic and operations. So adding and subtracting numbers. The language computers, every computer process and the instructions in machine language and the numeric codes used to represent the basic operations, adding and the subtracting numbers and the comparing numbers and the moving numbers and the repeating instructions. The programmers use the high level languages. So what are the high level languages? That these are the C++, Java, etc. These are the high level languages. Here machine languages and the program user language, high level languages. The machine languages mainly adding, subtraction, numbers and the comparing numbers, moving numbers. The automatic logic unit, here the subtractions and this is the here the adding or subtraction, whatever it may be, he do the sum different. The user can enter data will be changed in the algorithm automatic logic unit. So this is the numeric codes represent the basic operations. So moving numbers and the repeating instructions. The high level languages are C++, Java. So and the consumer applications. What are the consumer applications? The consumer and the disclaimers and the end users license agreement, the protects and the companies from the errors in programs, and the licensing by the software license not program, and the distribution by direct sales or download from web, instructed by the public domain, the software and the shareware. So what is the download the web? So the web page, what is web page, and the web designing and the web page? The web page is the designed by in the prepared by the HTML hypertext markup language. So we open the notepad and prepare the some program and the save as .html, that is the web, that is called web page. For example, we take the Gmail sign in. So how to sign in? Username and password. We enter the username and password. We sign in the information and included the public domain, software and shareware. And the web applications, the growing trend and the toward using the applications that run on and the remote internet service and the in, instead of the local PCs. So the growing the web applications are there. What is the web applications? And the Google Docs and the webmail programs and the Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo. So Google Docs, the Google Docs are used the documentation creations and web mail. The mails are the Gmail. So what is the Gmail? This is the electronic mail. We send the information and the receive the information in the Google. We is the free available for the Gmail. The sign up and prepare the one form. The enter the user details, name and address and the phone number and the page was and the enter the information and send the that one automatically created by the Gmail. The Hotmail also in the same and the Yahoo also sign up and prepare the form and automatically prepared by the Yahoo Mail. So the in this mail, the advantage of mail, we send the information and receive the information and attachment the some information means the photos, images. Just like one, we take the one biodata form, attach the Gmail and send the information and the images also attachment the mail and send the information. So in this mail available for the inbox and the send information available by the send and the received information in inbox. So we collect the information by through and the mail send each and every one information send to Gmail. And Wikipedia. So Wikipedia is the we enter the one topic, the topic information total available by the in the Wikipedia. Very advantages of the Wikipedia in this Google search. We enter the some information and Wikipedia open the total information of the topic information and the images and which time started the topic information and close the information, what is advantages, disadvantages, total details available in the Wikipedia. So online communicates means the Facebook. So what is the Facebook? In this Facebook we arranged by the attach the photos, images and send it to friends and add the friends and some information updated by the each and every photo upload in the Facebook and some information in the enter into the Facebook. It is also the cloud. So and the system software, the hardware software connection, this is called system software. The system software, the class of the software is that includes the operating system and the unity programs. So what is program? The program is the set of instructions that is called the unity of the programs. So for example, we take the C program. The programs each and every program we can compile and search for the errors and rectify the errors and complete the program and run the program. We get the output that is called the program. Each and every program the process is the same. We enter and we save the program and edit and compile the program and identify the errors and rectify the errors and compile again. We get the 0 errors after we run the program. And the handless low level details, the hundreds of the tasks behind the screens and the user does not need be connected about details. This is called system software, the hardware software connection. And what the operating system does, the every computer depends on an operating system to the keep hardware running efficiently and the maintains file system and support to multitasking and the manages virtual memory The operating system runs and the connection usually when the computer is on. So what is multitasking and the what is virtual memory? So this supports the multitasking and the virtual memory. The operating system run the continuously when the computer is on. So without operating system we cannot run the computers. So operating system is must, and operating system is on and we do the any work in the computer. So every time the computer first on the operating system will be self testing and booting, the finally the desktop will be coming on the screen. So we can use the user for ready for you. That time the user can enter the data and receive the data and edit the data, whatever it may be. He do the user defined. It supports the multitasking and the virtual keep the hardware and running effectively. So this is the every computer depends on the operating system. So every computer and every user also depending on computer operating system. So this is the system docs. And what is multitasking and the multi-programming? The entered information at a time, single user. This is the multi-user operating system multitasking. At a time the user can open the documentation and prepare the documentation and delete the word documentation and edit the word documentation. This type of works, this is called multitasking. And the utility programs. So what is the utility programs? They serve as tools for the doing system, the maintenance and the repairs not handles by the operating system. The serves of the tools for the doing system maintenance and the repairs not handled by the operating system. So the operating system is it is a not repairs handled by the operating system. It is a maintenance and the doing the service tools for the doing system, and the utilities make it easier to user to. So and the copy files between storage devices. The hard disk is the supported to store the information 500 GB hard disk and 1 terabytes hard disk. The copy the files means we can save the information in the drives. The available for the partition of 500 GB 1 terabits hard disk 1 tera GB. We can divide it into the 200 GB 200 GB, that is 5 drives C and the DEF G drive. So these are the 5 drives used for the user. The C drive stored the total operating system and DEFI is the user can use the different types information, store the information and play the games and see the movies, and the softwares also store the information programs and installed by the SQL and query the total information available in the copies the between the storage devices. The storage device is the hard disk. So pen drive also copy the information. This is the secondary storage devices, floppy disk and the CD compact disk. So repair the damaged data files. So what is the damaged data files? So the damaged files is the some we get the errors in the files. It is the not opened and some the we get the some problem, that is called damaged files. So we can repair the type of problems and rectify the problems and we see the correct information after repair the damaged data files. They translate files so different programs can read them. So translate files and different programs. What is different programs? The each and every one we can use the user can use the translate files to different programs. The this information, the programs are available in the different types, the C program types and the database files and the Java program files. These are the translate files to different programs can be read them, and the guard against and the virus and the other harmful the programs. So sometime it was attacked by the viruses. How to attack? We can use the pen drive the received inserted by the another other system. The in this virus system, the system is received by the pen drive and inside the original system, that is the transfer the virus to one system to another system easily. So the virus we can use the antivirus. The virus is clear by the virus. So The after clear we get the some information completely the guard against the viruses and the other harmful of the programs. So what is which type of problems we get the virus attacked, we get the program is not edited and executed in the we cannot see the output. So that type of problems we get the virus attacked. So we can use the antivirus are available in the market. So paid and the free antivirus is available. So we use the username and password, we enter into the 1 year and 6 months the dual systems available for the antivirus softwares. And the operating system, when you turn on the computer the central processing unit automatically begins. So already we discussed when the turn on the computers the central processing unit automatically begins and executing instructions stored in a ROM read only memory. The operating system and the loads from the disk into the part of the system's memory. Here, the monitor and the central processing unit and the applications, operating system apps, RAM, random access memory. So these are the computer automatically begins and executed the functions and the stored in the ROM read-only memory. The operating system loads from the disk into here. See the monitor is there. This is the TFT monitor and the CPU central processing unit. In this unit, the disks are and applications. These are the compact disk drives. The operating system apps and the RAM is the slot is there. The slot is the random access memory. The slots are available in the central processing unit. This is the hard disk and the apps means we created by the user and download the apps used by and the user defined different types of apps available in the market. The mobile apps and the system apps are different. In the same softwares we can use the system also, and in the same software we use in the mobile also. So that type of the applications are the different. The mobile app is different and the system app is the different, but it is the doing the same work, but app is the different and working style is the different. So mobile app is working uh, same and the system app is working same, but application style is the different. We operating the apps are the different types. So in this monitor, so we on the computers automatically take the some time and boot the system, and after a few minutes start by the monitor desktop window and open the desktop window. Here icons are available there. What is icon? The small tiny digital graphics. The my computer's symbol is there and the recycle bin. This is just like dustbin. We deleted data will be stored in that dustbin. So that is called wastage of the information deleted recycle bin. The app the icon is the stored replaced. So we replace again it is come to back and deleted that place completely deleted by the information in the recycle bin. And the network neighborhood, it is a 2 3 systems are attached by the nearby one by one. That type of icon is called network neighborhood. So these are the icons available in the desktop, and we enter into that mouse and the operating of the right, we press the right side button, pop-up menu available in this pop-up menu. So we take the some shortcut creations and arranged by the icons in the lowest to medium size and the high size low size. The icons also changed by the size of the information, and the background also change by the every time. And so and next one the pop-up menu in the new documentation, new folder creation by the so we select the new option, right side button select and new option selection. The folder will be created by the in this folder we enter into the some different types of files, folders, softwares, store the we give the folder name to rename change the name. So we can give the name the softwares, the all softwares will be stored in the folder. So this is called the operating system. So another next one, the operating systems are available are there. What are they? The already we discussed and just see the briefly Unix. This is a command line and the character based operating system. And next one, internet. It is a populated with the computers running Unix. So operating system of the choice for the workstations and the mainframes in the research and the academic settings. The favored by and the many who requires and the industrial and the strength multi-users of operating system. It is the very supported the line Unix and the Linux. It is a multi-user operating systems. It is a very security based operating systems, and if we comparing with the Unix and Linux compared with the Windows, uh, better better than Unix and Linux. So in this, uh, many more advanced features are there, and the operating system choice for workstation and the mainframes, and the research and the academic settings, and the favored by the many who requires and the industrial strength and the multi users. What is multi users? The client and the server are there. The server is the one, and the clients of the 10 or more systems are there. The multi users and the number of users can work at the uh, server client system. So this is the store the some information in the multi users means the total data will be stored in the server. So that is called multi user operating systems. And the Linux, Unix and the clone is distributed and supported free. And the compatibility issues. So what is the compatibility issues? Here the cloud applications, the and the Windows app and the Mac app, the Windows operating system, Mac operating system, Linux operating system. So Linux app, Mac app, this is the Windows app. So the central processing unit received by the operating system. The operating systems are discussed to run and particular. The operating system are designed to run and on the particular hardware platforms. The applications are designed to run on the particular operating systems. Most good applications are designed to run on the multi-platforms. So mostly difference between the multi-user and single user. Single user is a character based. The multi-user is the multi-user is the at a time we can do the some different types of works in the monitor. So that is a very advantages of single user and multi-user difference. And the disk formatting. So what is the formatting? Hard disks are either formatted by the manufacturer in the before and the installing operating system, and the electronic marks are and the put on disk. So disk is and the divided into serial and the concentric and the tracks. The tracks are divided into the sectors, and the sectors are uh, binded into cluster or the blocks. The file system provides Y to and the link multiple and the clusters to store large files. So in these large files we can store the large information. The formatting hard disks are the formatted by manufacturers before installing the operating system. The formatting means the data will be clear by the disk, that is called formatting. The electronic marks are the put on disk, and the disk divided into the serial electronic tracks. The tracks and sectors are there. So we can store the information, that is the tracks and sectors. The sectors are the bounded into the and the cluster and the blocks. So defragmentation. So what is defragmentation? The contents of the file many becomes and scattered over the cluster. Here see the one diagram is there. The fragmentation user file, the defragmentation user file. Here before defragmentation, after defragmentation. So the colors are there, the cluster and reserved for the operating system. So accessing the information is the faster if the file is assigned to the continuous clusters. So software is the piracy and the illegitimate property loss. The software piracy, illegal and the duplication of the copyrighted software is the rampant. The few software companies use the physical and the copy protection methods, and that makes the copying easy. So this is the illegal work. That is, we can store the same original file CD. We copy the information and use the systems. Few software companies use the physical copy protection and the methods and that make the copy easy. And the many people and the unaware of loss, and the others simply look to other way. The piracy problem. So the software is the industry losses billions of dollars every year to and the software uh, pirates, because it is a costly softwares are easily copy and the used the another system. That is the way to get the some different types of problems. The business software alliance BSA and estimates the more than one third of the software in the use is the illegal copies. So copy is the, that is a night, it is a piracy. We can store the information and the user easily. That is not correct way. And the piracy is the particularly hard on the small companies. So industrial organizations work with law and the enforcement and the agencies too, and the crack down the piracy. And the MS publishers. Let's look at the first application software that we need to and understand for this course. And the Microsoft publisher and on the PCs, personal computers is the Froman. If you want to use it at the home, you can and find free and the trial software downloads. The and on the personal computers in the foreman, if they want to use the home, we can find the free trial softwares download. So where available, the free trial softwares are available in the internet. We open the internet and the Google search, we download the softwares and used by the user defines. This is publishers, MS publishers. Let look to the application software and the need to understand the courses. Microsoft publishers. Though the comparison of the FIFO, see the diagram is the LRU and the organizes that the pages 2 and 5 are the referenced the more frequently than other, but FIFO does not. And the implementation of the URL policy, each page could be tagged. So each page could be tagged in the page table entry and with the time at each memory reference. The LRU page is the one with the smallest time and the value needs to be and scratched at each page fault. So this world require and expensive hardware and a great deal of the overhead. The consequently very few computer softwares and provide sufficient hardware support for true and LRU replacement policy. Other algorithms are used in the instead. So LRU implementations. The computer implementations are every page. This is the page replacement. Every page entry has the computer every time the page is referenced through entry. The copy the clock into the counter when the page need to and be changed look like at the countries and which are the change. Stock implementation keep the stock of page and the number of double link from the page referenced and move to the top and requires 6 points to be the changed and no search for the replacement. So use for the stock implement URL. Here see the stock implementation keep the stock page and the number in the double link form and the page referenced move into the top and requires 6 points to be changed. No search for and the replacement always take the bottom. Here stock before and stock after. And the hardware matrix and the URL implementation. See the diagram. The hardware matrix pages are the referenced in the order 0 1 2 3 and the 2 1 0 3 2 2. Page 1 and the page 2, these are the pages are the information stored in the memory areas. The number of pages are stored the information, and the before first page field and the second page will be replaced by the first page. They automatically changed by the one page by one page. So this is the information of page replacement. So thank you students.